Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to change keyboard theme in Galaxy A15 5G. So, firstly, guys, you have to go to settings and then go to search bar. Now, when you tap on the search bar, so here we have a keyboard. So, as you guys see, we have an option of a settings here. So, just tap on the settings and then scroll down. So, here we have an option of a theme. Just tap here. Okay. So, as you guys see, we have these four themes: light, dark, and solid dark. So just tap on a solid light, and as you guys see, the theme of the keyboard is now changed. So I guess the dark theme is best. So I select this theme and then go back. So as you guys see, when I go to search bar, the keyboard theme is now completely changed. So that's how guys we can change the keyboard theme in Galaxy A15 5G. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.